Come on, put it
Don't be a Philroy, all right?
in.
Back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about some events I'm going to be attending during the summer and into the fall. Now, these are not the only events I will be attending, but it is the ones I will be attending for sure that I've already made plans for. And the first event on the list is a meet and greet that Foxcast is putting on at Scram in Illinois. So I'll have all the address and all the information in the description. Also a link to Foxcast's Facebook page that you can go and check everything out also. But we will be up there on July the 20th at Scram from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So come on out, guys, if you're in the area. The next event I will be attending for sure is Mustang Week in September. Now that is from September the 2nd through the 8th. I'll be up there the entire week at Mustang Week, so I hope to see you guys there. Had a blast last year at Mustang Week. Those of you there last year will understand what I'm talking about. But I hope to see you guys there. Highly looking forward to it this year. Next event is in Bowling Green, Kentucky, the NMRA Finals in Kentucky. I was there last year. Actually, I've been the last, this will be my 3rd or 4th year going. But anyway, I have an absolute blast every year I go. Last year I went, we won a little class, which was pretty awesome. This year we'll be competing again. Except this year I'll be in the GT500. So looking forward to that, competing in the True Street again. Had a blast last year, guys. If y'all are in the area, do come and check it out. It is on September the 26th to the 29th in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So we'll be there. This event that I'll be attending is also a meet and greet put on by Foxcast, and it will be at Moe's Speed Shop, and that is on November the 2nd in Dallas, Georgia, and from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Moe's Speed Shop. If you're in that area around that time, come on out and check it out. Gonna have a blast that day. I'll have a link in the description. I believe there's some dyno spots left open at the events, so if you're interested in that, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for Foxcast's Facebook page. The last event that I for sure will be at is Mod Nationals, November 13th through the 17th down in Georgia. So highly looking forward to that. I attended the first Mod Nationals in Memphis, and that's when they had it in Memphis, and then the next year they had it in Georgia, and I wasn't able to attend. And so this year I want to go out, and it is November 13th to the 17th at South Georgia Motorsports Park down in Georgia. So guys, check it out. That is a fun event, and I'm highly looking forward to going. Those are the events that I will for sure be at 100%, unless something happens out of my control. But I've already made plans to go to all these events, so we will be there. Also, there's a couple events that I would like to go to, and one of them is Woodward Dream Cruise. I've always wanted to go. I just don't know if everything's going to pan together this year for me to be able to go, but that's one of the events that I really want to get to. And there's a few others I want to get to, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to get to this year. If something comes up and I'm able to make those events that I would like to go to, I will make a video announcing it as soon as I know for sure that I'm going to be attending those events. One other thing I want to go over, we did sell the Fox body. Yes, I know a lot of you, when I bought the Fox body, were highly looking forward to what I was going to do with the Fox body. But to be honest with you, nothing was going to happen to the Fox body after the GT500 was done. And when the gentleman that bought the car, if you remember a few videos back, I kind of introduced him a little bit and talked about it a little bit. He wanted the car extremely bad. He's always wanted it. And I kind of bought it out from under him without knowing I was buying it out from under him, to be honest with you. I knew there was somebody looking at it. I just didn't know exactly who it was. And I went and bought it, and then I found out it was him. I kind of felt bad about it because I know that he wanted the car worse than I did, and I wanted the car, but he wanted it a lot worse than I did. Then after he talked to me Friday, we kind of talked about it, and after talking with him, you can just tell when somebody really loves a car. And although I do like the car, but you know, he has another appreciation for it that I don't have, because I was wanting to take it, put a take Cobra motor out, put a push rod motor in, and change everything about it once I got the GT500 done. So seeing how bad he wanted it, and he wanted it the way it was, it only felt right to sell him the car. And does that mean that that's the end of Fox bodies for me? No, of course not. We're going to focus on the GT500. We're going to get the GT500 exactly where I want it to. And then once everything with the GT500 is where I want it, and we get toward the end of the summer and I'm looking for a project to do over the winter to have some fun with, we're going to look at either another Fox or an SN95. And I do want some push rod power in my life, so we're going to be looking at that. But guys, that's in the future. I hope you guys understand the reasoning behind me selling the car. It's just that, you know, when I see somebody that really wants a car and I want to change everything about it, it only felt right to me to go ahead and sell him the car. And plus, he was in a Honda. We had to get him into a Mustang, guys. This is his first Mustang, and I remember how it was with me. My first Mustang was a Fox body, so I was able to pass that on. His first Mustang is a Fox body, and he is highly enjoying it. We're going to get a video with him pretty soon on how he's enjoying the car and everything like that. So guys, stay tuned for that. All right, one other thing I want to talk about real quick is, I know I talked about it in a few other videos, but I kind of want, after we get so many new subscribers on the channel, I kind of want to hit it on again, is that we do, at the end of the videos, I like to do what I call subscribers ride section at the end of my videos. And what it is you can send pictures, video, whatever of your car, send your name, location, any information you want. Send it to speedaddict731@gmail.com. I will have all the information down in the description also, but yeah, send me whatever you got of your car. It doesn't have to be a Mustang, and we will put it at the very end of our videos in the subscribers ride section. I haven't been getting a lot here lately, so that's the reason you haven't been seeing it at the end of the videos. But guys, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna throw in some outtakes from other videos. But if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. What's going on, everyone? All right. All right. What's going on, everyone? Cody, what do you think about it?
I like it.
You like it? You feeling any better from last night? No?
I have to check him after that.
Dude,
He was gone. You just thought a rabid dog was chasing him.
Daryl was just like,
it was as a Mustang going sideways. You just.
I was just standing there and wait on it.
I seen video. The what? You was just like, standing there like, okay, whatever.
He kind of faced me a little bit. I'm like, I'll see
Now
how
on
this plays
street
out.
tires, I would have done
See how this plays out.
He just like from the danger side. I don't see how this plays out. This was good.
On street tires, I wouldn't have done that. On those, it's a little more.
Yeah.
It's a little easier to control. Hold the middle on the skirt. Don't be a puss.
Ready? Yeah. Hit it again. It's got a little bit. It's very, very
Pull's
faint.
weak. Come on, put it down.
Don't be a Philroy, all right?
If I fuck sling the screwdriver.
Wow. Fire it up.
Ready?
Yeah. I hit it. I ain't doing anything. Man, they won't give me a shot, but this damn thing ain't working.